Hi, it's Tamara Monosoff, and I'm just very quickly going to tell you about editorial calendars because they are a great way to get your product into magazines. And oftentimes, I'm surprised that entrepreneurs don't take advantage of this resource to really get your product out there. So I wanted to share what an editorial calendar is and how to find them so that you can go ahead and get started pitching your product. So what are editorial calendars? Well, essentially, magazines schedule their entire year in advance, and each month they have a different theme. And so you can use the editorial calendars to your advantage when you're promoting both yourself, your story, as well as your product. And you can see where maybe your story of how you became an entrepreneur can fit into a certain theme of the month. And then there may be another story or month that is specifically looking for products and gadgets. So definitely take a look from these different angles and see where you might just fit in. And if your story is compelling and interesting and it fits their theme, publications are likely to pick it up because they are always looking for new, fresh stories. So where can you find these editorial calendars? Well, sometimes it takes a little sleuthing, but first you want to start with the magazine's website, and you can find these editorial calendars in the media kit. And if you can't find it on the website, look under corporate tab. If you can't find it there, then look under the sales tab. And oftentimes you will find it. It just may take a little while. These media kits are intended for companies that want to advertise in the magazine. So they also have to plan ahead in terms of their budgets. And so they need to know what the plans are for the magazine. So this is intended for advertisers, but that's not what you're using it for. You're using it to be informed so that you can make a pitch and be successful at pitching your story because you know that that month is a perfect fit for your product or your story. So also a great little detail is that the deadline dates are included and sometimes even the name of the editor. So definitely pay attention because this makes it a lot easier to contact the correct person. And sometimes magazines are managed by media companies, and it's on their website that you will find the editorial calendar. Again, this will take a little bit of sleuthing, but it's well worth it. I've heard of a lot of entrepreneurs having success getting featured in magazines this way. So I just wanted to quickly talk to you. I'm just going to give you a quick example. Like here's Women's Day magazine. I've been featured in Women's Day before. And one of the quickest ways to find out where the editorial calendar is, I'm just going to show you right here. Let's go right here. And okay, so you're looking at here and you want to get featured in Women's Day, but nothing is obvious. You're seeing all these different headings. Nothing's popping out in terms of where the sales information is or where the media kit might be. And so you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and again, you're just going to have to read everything. And I'm going to look under the About Women's Day and look at right here, Online Media Kit. That is what you're looking for. Then we will likely go, just like I did a few minutes ago before I was going to show you this, you will likely want to read all of these things. Plus, it's good to know who the audience is and learn more about the magazine because then you can tailor your pitch to fit that audience. And then you're going to go to magazine advertising. So right here, look right here, editorial calendar. Click on there. And you are going to see the calendar for the year. So you can see that in January, it's the happy issue. And I noticed this Win It page. They have all sorts of interesting things on, this month it's about fitness. And then down here in February, it's about cleaning. So if you have a cleaning gadget, or in this one, it's in March, it's about beauty. So again, you can see the themes going on. Organizing is in April, and fashion accessories and jewelry and bags and style are in May. So you get the point. And so definitely take advantage. I get excited when I see these schedules because then you can immediately start planning for yourself in terms of when you can pitch the magazine and when they'll be more likely to be really interested in your story and what you have to share. So with that said, good luck to you. I hope to hear some fabulous stories about you pitching magazines and getting featured. And come over and visit me if you will at TamaraMonosoff.com. I've got tips, tools, mentoring classes, and I'd love to hear from you. If you pitch yourself and you get included in a magazine, I want to hear your story. So definitely come over and visit me at TamaraMonosoff.com. Take care.